Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I have recently started this series called Indian Skincare and Makeup, where I am reviewing products which are made in India. So all the makeup products and skincare products I am going to review in this particular series. So this is the second video of this series. So today's product that I'm going to share with you guys is a very budget friendly product. I'm sure this is going to be helpful for all of you, and I have been using this product since a really long time and it has been my cult favorite. So today I'm going to be talking about a Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow face cleanser. So this is the product, guys. I have decided to include a lot of budget friendly products that are easily available in the markets and general stores across India, so it is easier for you to find that product and use that product, and it's not much of an investment in that, so it is pocket friendly. So this particular one retails for, I guess, 75 rupees only. So I think this is such an underrated product. I mean, I have been using it since 2 to 3 years, I guess, and I have not gone to any other product except for this one when it comes to just cleaning my face every single day at the end of the day. It is so simple to use this product, guys. I use it often at the night time before going to bed. Once I have removed all my makeup, or when I have done my everyday makeup, I remove that makeup with this particular product. So I just spray it all over my face and I just swipe it with the cotton pad, and my makeup, all the dirt, impurities is removed with just this product. So it is very simple. Just spray all over your face and take a cotton pad and just swipe it across your face, and you will have a squeaky clean face. So it's basically a rose water with a cleanser, and it comes with a nice pump like this. So it is very easy to use this product. Just spray all over your face and you're good to go. Even it is a travel friendly packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle like this, and you can just throw it in your bag whenever you're going out, or you're traveling also. This is a very nice packaging. It doesn't spill at all. So you can just, whenever you're out and you feel your face is looking dull or your makeup has gone off, so you can just spray on your face and wash off your face, and this will just work fine. With its regular use, it also adds that radiance and glow to your face, and it is hydrating. It doesn't strip off the moisture from your face. It is a very nice and gentle cleanser that you can include in your daily cleansing routine. So this is another super affordable made in India product that works wonders. So I highly recommend this one. Do give it a try, guys. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So with that, we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope this video of mine was helpful for you. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know which are the products and brands, Indian brands, you want me to review for you all. I would love to do that for you all. So do let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to check the description box for the details of this product, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video, and follow me on Instagram as well. I'm super active on Instagram. So I'm gonna end my video here, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.